Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today, samahan nyo kami to explore one of the historical and vibrant town in Cavite. Walang iba kundi ang Silang.
Sabi rin sa kwento, ang pangalan ng Silang ay galing sa salitang Silangan or East dahil nasa eastern part ito ng Cavite. Pero may iba rin na naniniwala na ito ay nagmula sa Isinilang kasi daw parang biglang isinilang ang simbahan sa gitna ng bayan. Silang is a first-class municipality and its economy is mainly driven by agriculture, lalo na sa pineapple at coconut farming. Pero hindi lang yan, meron din silang manufacturing at trade businesses, both local and foreign, na patuloy na nagpapalago sa bayan. May population na almost 296,000 in 64 barangays. Ang dami, no?
At kung nature trip naman ang hanap nyo, meron tayong Luxury National Beach or ang Cabot Teams na perfect for mga adventurista. Moving on sa cultural release and festival. Silang is super rich in culture and faith. Majority are Roman Catholic, and they celebrated through colorful events like a Silang Music Festival and Sumilang Festival. Ang patron saint nila ay si Our Lady of Candelaria, also known as Our Lady of Candles. Sobrang meaningful kasi she symbolized the light of Christ. Her feast day is celebrated every February 2 with full devotion and community spirit.
Sa Silang, the main languages spoken are Tagalog, English, and Caldilla, a unique dialect used especially by older generations. Ang galing, di ba?
And that's a wrap. Our joyful trip around Silang Cavite, a town na puno ng kasaysayan, kultura at pagmahal sa bayan. From ancient churches to delicious fruits and the faith-filled community. Truly, Silang is a gem of Philippine history.
Kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Ako nga pala si Miguel Ambating.
Ako nga pala si Rainier. Ako si Michael Enriquez.
Thank you for watching our vlog for reading in Philippine history.
See you next
lakad natin. Paalam mga kaistorya.